Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can possibly fix your 404 error on your website pages on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, I'll be showing you two ways because the other ones include a lot of specifics, especially entering your FTP client to fix some files on your website, which I'm not really familiar with how to do, so I'd rather not confuse you guys. But pretty much, I'll be showing you two major ways. The first one is just to clear your browser cache. Now, it is specific for each browser. Usually, if you're using Chrome or Chromium based browsers, it's pretty much in the same place. You just go into your settings and go into your cache and delete your cache memory. Once you do that, then you can try restarting your browser and entering WordPress again, and that should fix the problem for you. Now, I won't be showing you because, again, it's specific to your browser. Just go into your settings. Usually they're in the top right of your screen, and here you can find your full browser settings. This is the option for Opera GX, and you should find your cache somewhere there. Now, the other version or the other solution that there is you can set up your permalinks. Now, if I go into settings, I can't find permalinks, nor can I find them in tools, so I really don't know where they are. Usually they should be under settings, but as you can see, I can't find them anywhere. But yeah, what you need to do is go into permalinks and set everything back to the default. Once you set it back to the default, if you've even changed them, then you can save the changes that you have made, or set it back to the default and save that change. And then once you do that, you can then go back into your permalinks and then customize them, and then go ahead into the custom permalink and set up that permalink again, and that should be pretty much it. Now, keep in mind, some plugins might be interfering with your site functionalities, so keep in mind that you might need to test all the plugins that you install, and also some plugins might be required. For example, if you didn't redirect to a new page and you change the page, that might be the error as well. If you've made a new page and you still haven't linked to it from the old link, you should do that redirect using the redirecting plugin on WordPress. And that should be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.